Megala big shout out, welcome everyone to my channel again. My favorite video. We will be doing unboxing again. I ordered this one 3 days ago and now it arrived. So I watched it online. Actually, I purchased this one in one of the TikToker here in UAE who manages to sell for this one, and I'm so excited. I've been wanting to have this one for several months or years now, but I just watched the online video, so I got it, and I hope it satisfies me because it's been quite a long time that I really wanted to have this one as my personal use. Okay, so come with me as we go for the unboxing of this. They call this one is online shop. Okay, from ENR collection. ENR collection. Consigned Egyptian in the color starts it with every house and course item 4 pieces. Amount is 266. But anyway, guys, it doesn't matter because I really love what I ordered. So I hope this will satisfy me. Okay, come and join me as I go for the opening for this one. Okay, so okay, there you go. The first one is the Ideco Success Premium. So this is the free. So they told me there is a sale for that day, and they told me to choose. This is free actually. Okay, so free. Okay, wait. So I choose the two colors, the red cup. This is for free. Okay. Yes, it's very nice actually. This is free for what I purchased because that is according to the seller that they have a sale for that day. Those who buy items free for the cup. So one is the, I don't know the color, dark blue, and the other one is the red color. So I choose this one. The red also is very nice. Okay. So I guess we will be doing unboxing wearing for this one. But anyway, total and all, I really like the color and the cup itself. Okay, so that's, there you go. Now, so excited. And this one, oh, very nice. The packaging, etc. That is really nice. The packaging itself, so they have a bubble packaging. So the product is very secure. Wow. Yes, there you have it, guys. I really love this one, and I hope this is the same what I order. Well, anyway, alright, received Aqua Plus Global Design in California. So finally, guys, I have a 32 inches. This is the original brand that vacuums isolate. This is the Metropolis Aqua Plus. I guess this is, I don't know the model of this one because it doesn't here. Tokyo. So Tokyo, I don't know what's the hot 12 hours, cold temperature, 1880 stainless, 1 year warranty, double walled PFA fraud. So it shows here that Aqua Plus is an original brand that vacuums isolated water bottle, provide quality and durable Aqua Plus and blah blah blah, etc. I don't know the color for this one, but let's check. Yes, because I'm so excited really, guys. The good thing is I saw this one in online. Yes, again, it's bubble wrap here. And there you go. Oh my god. So still have a bubble wrap, and then another plastic cellophane. Oh my goodness, I love the color. The color, guys, and there's a stainless here. This is 32 ounce. Yeah, I guess cherry red. I believe this is cherry red, the color. So Aqua Plus, the cherry red. This is so amazing. I love it. Oh my god. It's too. Yeah. Yeah, this is the one. And I will check this one, guys. I will try to put to testing this one. Vacuum isolated bottle, California, etc. So this is with steel, the design. Yeah, and it says here. Then double wall. And you can bring this one, Aqua Flash. Yes, the design. So there you have it again. And then, already done. So the next one is, oh my gosh. It's very delicate, wrapped properly. Okay. And I guess this is 40 ounce. Okay. 3-channel bag. Chanel bag. 3-channel bag. But anyway. Okay. Same, but the color is different. This is, what's this one? Milan. This is Milan. This is Tokyo. See? Tokyo. And this is Milan. Have you seen that one? So, yes, this is the 40 ounce. Yeah, 40 ounce. Yes, 40 ounce. Yeah. So there you go. It's sealed. So we have to check this one. Oh my god. See, this is the 40 ounce Aqua Flash. The color, I love the color, is gray. And then, yeah, it's the same. So this is 40 ounce. Actually, I bought up this one. This is for my use, and this is for the gift of my cousin. So I will give this one actually. The good thing is today is he will be celebrating his birthday today, and so the good thing is this one. Thank you so much, Aqua Flash, for delivering this one, and I really love this one. So. So now, I have the cherry red, and this one is Milan. And the 2 cup is there. So Aqua Plus. Thank you so much. I finally have all of this one. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe.